Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will be making stuffed marshmallow Oreo cookie. Now let's bake. So guys, in the mixing bowl I have butter and sugar. Now I'm gonna whip this together until it's light and fluffy, and I will list all the ingredients down in the description below. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please pause this video and go ahead and do so. Also, to please turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now guys, I'm going in with a rubber spatula. Now I'm just wiping the side of it, just making sure that the butter and the sugar is fully incorporated and everything is mixed properly. Now I'm going in with my eggs and I'm just pouring that in little at a time because I do not want my batter to curdle. And that dark stuff in the egg mixture, guys, is just 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going in with my dry ingredients, which also includes my Oreo cookie. Now you just want to whip this until it is fully combined, and just be sure not to have it on the highest speed because all your flour will just, mix all over the counter, and you do not want that. Now guys, our batter is finally done, and this was such a easy, very simple recipe to make. Even though it's an Oreo cookie, it might seem very difficult to make, but trust me, it's super easy. I just incorporate the Oreo and that's practically it. Yeah, it was pretty simple. If you guys wanted to do chocolate chip, just go ahead and add your chocolate at the same time I add my cookie. Yeah, so that's it. Now guys, on a prepared baking tray, what I did was add the marshmallow in the middle of that cookie dough, then fold the sides on it, just so that it covers the marshmallow. And that was practically it, guys. And I went ahead and I baked these for 12 to 15 minutes. It depends on your oven, but make sure your oven is preheated at a temperature at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, just go ahead and bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes. Guys, I also went ahead and I broke a couple Oreo cookies. Just go ahead and put them on the top just for presentational purposes. You know, it's optional if you don't want to do it. Yeah, it's optional, guys, but you know. And there you have it, guys. Our cookies are finally out of the oven. They spread a little bit, but you know, it's okay nevertheless. But I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.